Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Here today we will discuss about the IPO of a company that is Zomato, and many discussions are going on in the internet about this company. In India, especially, the trends of this type of company are very less. Like people are talking about oil rooms, your Paytm, Zomato, Swiggy. So these companies are not in the share market generally. But if you look at the company's profit, then most of the companies are in loss, you can say. Zomato also, like last year, it is on its loss at 800 crore something. But the loss is gradually decreasing in this company, and the founders or the promoters, they exactly predict, and their team predicts that the company is going towards a profitability. Uh, but these companies look very fancy that they are doing very good. They might be doing very good business because we see them here and there. We use them in our day-to-day life. We order food from their app. We buy um, groceries from their partners, like grofers. So, but the business profit, if we say, then they are not profitable yet, but yes, they are going towards the profitability, and they have a huge future, as some analysts say. So what is your think about Zomato? What are you thinking about Zomato? You can write in the comment box. Now, some facts I want to put before you. Before investing in Zomato, I like the company personally, and most of the IT company and this type like services and this type of company I like personally, because I see a future in them. Like people, if you think about Google, Facebook, 10 years, 15 years, or 15, 20 years back, then they had no future. Facebook, let's say, they had no future, but now Zuckerberg is um, third or fourth richest man. So Facebook is doing billions of business. So that's why these companies are the future, you can say, and they are going towards, um, means in future there will be more business as it is predicted. So that's why we can say they have a good future. But if you see their balance sheet, it's not as healthy as other companies are. But what is this Zomato company? I want to say this company, personally, I had some experience with this company. 2 years back, I had opened a small restaurant, means with some partners. We had a small restaurant, and this restaurant we listed, means we partner with Zomato and Swiggy for our food delivery. We made like all the restaurant items. So Zomato business policies like that they were giving us, means our menu was on in Zomato, and we had to give 20% charge to Zomato for each order. Will once the customer books a order, then we will receive, as a restaurant owner, will receive the order, will prepare the food, right? Will parcel it. Everything is our part. At the same time, within few minutes, Zomato delivery boy will come to us to the restaurant, and it will pick the package from us, from the restaurant, and he will deliver to the customer. So this is the policy. And suppose we have the display price is suppose 100 rupees, the customer pays 100 rupees. Now Zomato will, means 2 years back, I'm saying you, now I don't know what is the policy of Zomato. I think it's continues. So Zomato deducts 20% from us, like he will pay, Zomato will credit 80 rupees to our bank account. That time it was on Wednesday, I think Wednesday or Thursday each week. weekly they used to pay. And from that payment, they used to pay to their delivery boys, basically delivery persons, and also their management. They manage from this money. Now, how they will go to, they're going to profitability. That depends upon, they are saying that more orders will go. People are using more and more this type of apps, so it will be profitability soon. Now, Zomato has invested money in Groffer. Groffer is a grocery delivery, like online shopping site, and Zomato has invested. Now the plan is maybe they will use the Zomato delivery people to pick up the grocery from the nearest wholesaler or grocery stores, and it will deliver to the customer. Now their biggest challenge will be Amazon pantry. Now, but if Zomato can do this in a faster rate, like 2 hours or 1 hour delivery, then it will be a great advantage for them, and their cost will be also reduced, because same delivery boy will be used for same means restaurant delivery as well as your grocery delivery. So it will change some their business perspectives. Now let us talk uh, about the founders of Zomato. So Zomato was founded in 2008 by Deepinder Goyal and another of his senior or friend, you can say Pankaj Chadha. So both of them founded Zomato in 2008. Both were alumni of IIT Delhi, and after their graduation, they started this online restaurant business. Now Zomato is expanded to all abroad, means internationally it has a presence, and it has invested in companies in US also, the food delivery company, right? Bright Spoon. So now it has an international presence. That is also one advantage of Zomato. Now, who are the shareholders of Zomato? Now let's go to the next slide. So let us see who are the, so we'll come back to this slide. First, let us see who are the shareholders of Zomato. So as you can see here, Zomato shareholding patterns, you can see. So you can see Deepinder Goyal, the founder, is having approximately 8% share of Zomato. InfoEdge, like Naukri.com, and it is performing tremendously. This company, InfoEdge. So InfoEdge is also invested in this company Zomato, and approximately 22% holding is there. And Alipay is the subsidiary company of Alibaba Group. It has also 10% investment, and Uber is also one of the major investor in Zomato. Uber India Systems, right? So these are some investors in Zomato. Now let us go back to the previous slide. So when this IPO is coming? This IPO is coming 14th July to 16th July it will open. So if you wish, you can subscribe to the IPO. So I'm planning to subscribe one lot, let's say 1 or 2 lot, because I don't want to invest now much in this company till it becomes profitability, or let's see how it is performing. Even if I'll buy 120, 130 or 150 also, it doesn't matter, but let's see how it is performing in the market. So for a quick gain, we can invest some money in this type of IPO. So but you should go through it before you invest, and if you like the company, you should talk to your advisor, your fund manager, so that you can invest in it. Now let's go to the next slide. So what is this IPO about? So the IPO details is here. It is open 14th July to 16th July. The price band is 72 to 76 per share, and one lot is 195 share. You have to purchase at least 195 share or one lot minimum. Price total size of the IPO is 9,375 crore. So it's one of the biggest IPO ever after it said that SBI card. Okay, so so this is this one is the one of the biggest IPO you can say. But the important thing is the price issue is 9,000 crore, so which is good. Most of the shareholders are not selling their shares. Instead of 375 crore, that is offer for sale, means the existing shareholders or promoters, they will sell some shares. They will say they are going to sell their previous shares. So which is not which is not a very good sign for a company. So here the amount is very less. You can see the offer for sale only info, as I read the article, only info edge is selling some of the percentage of its share, only 375 crore, and others are not selling. So price issue will be 9,000 crore. Price issue means the company is issuing this share, and it will use it for expansion or for you can say its operation. So it will be listed in BSE NSE. Face value is 1 rupees per share, and so this is all about the information for Zomato IPO. And this Zomato is approximately 3.3 billion company. Paytm is in the highest one, that is 16 billion company. So now let's discuss about the company. So this company means the business, if you will see, then what is their thinking means people will order more and more from restaurant in the future, or they will reduce it. As expected, we are expecting that people will order more and more, right? So like Jubilant Foodworks also, the price is increasing tremendously, that pizza delivery, right? So let's see how the Zomato entry into the market, how it is behaving. But one thing is that more and more IPO will come, then people will sell their shares mostly and they will invest in IPO. So it happens that a little bit market, other shares prices goes down, or you can say Nifty also goes down. It happens many times when big IPOs comes in the market, people sell their some of the shares, other share, and they buy the new share like IPOs, invest money in IPO. So that also reduce, means that time also price decreases. So let's expect that Zomato will do well in the market, and also in future it will come profitability. It will become profitable soon, and also will able to pay some dividend to us, so that we will happy with the dividend lovers. We will be happy. So the new beginners who are watching the video, I am just saying for them, the IPO means when the company launches the or it gets listed in the share market. First, you and me, like suppose we two people, we wanted to make a company, we make a company and we make a private limited company. Now when this company want to list in share market, it wants its share to be sold, buy and sell, or you can say to improve the liquidity, then it registered its shares on the share market to be traded. So when the shares are traded in share market, so it is easier for anyone to buy and sell. So the or raise funds, or the demand of the share, if it will increase, then the promoter also get much more money. So it happens. That's why the company register themselves in the share market, right? So Zomato is also doing that. So nothing is changing the fundamental of Zomato. It is just registering itself in the uh, share market, so that you and me, we can buy their shares. Else we cannot generally buy their shares. They only use to sell their shares to institutional investor, or whoever talk to them in big investors. They generally invest in which companies. Now when it will be listed in the share market, we can buy their shares. Even 10 share, 20 share we can buy, and we can become a shareholder of that company. That is the meaning of IPO. So when the company brings IPO, means it's an initial public offer. You will not find this IPO if you search in equity in your Zerodha account or any Upstock account. So how you will apply? You will find their option one will be their IPO. You have to go through them. 14 through 16 July, in between that, you will see that IPO option is there. So you will click on IPO, then open IPO. You will see that Zomato in that list. So then you will click on the Zomato, and you will able to purchase that. Okay, and at a time you have to buy around 14 or 15,000 rupees, 195 share at a time you have to buy. Then suddenly those shares will not be credited to your account, right? To your demat, you will not able to see. Like we buy share and suddenly it comes to our account, right? In the transaction, we can see that this type of this share we bought today, but there you will not able to see. If before listing, if your whatever you have applied, one lot or two lot, whatever number of share you have applied, if it will be allotted to you, it may not be allotted also. If there are heavy demand of institutional investors and other investors, and you may not get the share also, even if you have applied for it, right? You may not get. So you may get also. Now when you will get, let's say when the share will be listed in the share market, then it will be come to your portfolio. After that, it will be come to your portfolio, and you can sell or buy till then. So till then you will not able to buy and sell, right? So this is the meaning of IPO, and you can check in your Zerodha account or any demat account you are using. You can see that IPO, and 14 through 16 July, if you click on IPO, they definitely Zomato will be there. So if you are interested, if you like the company, so you can purchase, right? So see you tomorrow with another company, another video, and let's see. So till then, bye bye, take care, and do research, study, and enjoy the weekend. Thank you.